All right, here we go. In the afternoon here. It's 1:16 Eastern time. I'm in the East Coast. Market's still going on. Some big moves today. BPTH, CGIX, TRCH. We're going to look at some of these plays again. Doing a lot of these stocks. I'm doing like three stocks. Just analyzing technical analysis and seeing where we can go from here on these. What's going to happen? A lot of people just see the move the day it happens, but they don't understand why. Why did it happen? Because there's reasons it happened. News. Um, there's definitely reasons, and you want to get in before the move happens. Basically, like BPTH, you didn't know that was going to happen, but a lot of these moves you can see prior what's going to happen. Looking at the chart, am I getting glare here? All right, it's a little better. All right, so CGIX, January 19th, look at this, back and forth move. See the high, kept getting lower, lower. Found this two line, see this back and forth? And then you get a recent, you had a 220 line right here. And look at this grind up, slowly, slowly. Big candle here, sideways, then exploded today. This was a nice move here. This was a telltale sign. If we get over that move, and then today, this really unloaded. This happened at 4:05 a.m. again. So if you're trading 4:05, the move's 8 to 26. If not, you're going to short this stock. You're not going to trade it long. On FinBiz, 3.7 million float, 24 million market cap. I don't see any news. It is uh, contract research services focused on study of guide drug discovery development programs, oncology, immunology fields. So I don't see news. If there was news, write this. I'm not really, looking for news at this moment. Just seeing real quick if there was, but looking at the chart. And then you can see the big drop. This wasn't 350 because of the split. This came all the way down 2016, 2017. Basically now, this thing ran all the way up to 25. The next resistance you see up here near this 39, and then you see, 25. That's where it hit. See this little move here? So, this came all the way back though. So, what's going to happen the rest of the day? And this will probably, I don't think it's going to squeeze. Looks like it's out of volume. So you want this to hold this 4 level, even the 6 level. If this comes back even tomorrow, then it bounce again. But you have all this now. You have that big wick, and what's it going to do? Let's see if we can get up that high. If there's no news in this, this is pure short squeeze, low float, a pump. So you have to be careful with that. So, I did this back here a little bit here, but this is a tremendous move. So we'll see what happens with this tomorrow. Now they're running things more than one day now. Sometimes it's one, sometimes it's 3 days. The moves have just been incredible. The market's really insane. So you just don't know what's going to happen here. But this was a pre-market move. See it move yesterday, and then look at it explode, and then came down. So we'll see on the CGIX. All right, SNDL. I've probably talked about this a million times. Talked about it maybe yesterday again. Look at this move again. Look at the volume here. Big gap, came down. You have 25 cents. Look at this. Up, support. Support. You're just taking off. See, you're so far from your 1320 MA. It's total bullish run here the last 3 days. Big volume. You can see just the trend here. Everything's long. It had this dip. It probably stopped out a lot of longs. And then right here, we're at 250. So this filled this gap. So what's it going to do here? It's going to 250 and come back hard. It's possible. They might take profit. If this keeps going, I'm looking at 3 to 4 lines, very big here. Right here, this 3 to 4 line. See that? So we'll see what this does. If he keeps going another day, no one knows. I'm just trying to point out, the best, give you the best perspective on this. What it's going to do from here. I mean, because 3 day run like that's pretty big. It might pull back. See it pull back here like this. We don't know though. But as long as it stays above these moving averages, one here, it could do a really hard pullback then go up. You don't know. But again, you can see the movement, the whole movement on this is like that. See it here, round, bottom, and up we go. So, yeah, I think we're still going long, but it just depends. There could be pullbacks. Doesn't mean it's over the move. Any news in this? Forget SNDL growers. These penny stocks are much better. That was Motley Fool. COVID-19 exposes how fragile our food system is. I don't see real news in it. PSTV, 4 million float. FinBiz, 14 million market cap. Very low here. No news recently. Clinical stage pharma, develop, manufacture treatments of cancer, other diseases. All right, see the big wash down from this big channel down. Then it found support on this. Trying to get to the line here. It looks like this 350 line was very big. That's where it's at now. Look at it. See, the wick went all the way up and down. See, people are like, oh, where's it going to go? Just look at your daily chart. A lot of these penny stocks, they're bringing to the certain lines. It's not really rocket science. See up here, it touched like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what's it going to do here? Well, you have this split zone. I said this before, I think in this one, 6. And then you get up here, 6, anywhere to this like 6 to 8, 16 level. Who knows? A low float, if they could really want to push this. And then let me see here. It's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 touches. They brought it up to 12 million. See the volume, this volume bars go up and nothing, then feeds. So this is not really consistent long. It did here, but it's not, it makes big spikes. And you want this to get over 350. Gets over 350, that's becomes support. And then it's a big zone here, big zone. On this 250, if it comes back here, see it, put that wick in and bounce off. It's very important. You could even say up here, same thing, draw a line here, 250. So, with the trend back and forth that's going up, very strong here. So in all these, just watch your lines. So there we go. This is another big move. Let me look here. 5 minute. See how they brought it up, cross, change of direction, take off. All right, so that's it on this. These three. So CGIX, big run early. SNDL still running. PSTV, this could really break. Low float, it could move here easy. So that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade. Smash the like button. Appreciate the support. Write comments, stocks, whatever you want to write. Questions. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. I have a Patreon. If you want to click on that, I don't have anything on it yet. I'm trying to get Patreon put subscribers because all these videos take a lot of time. I'm going to put on certain things not on my YouTube, just on there. So we'll see on that. All right, that's it for today. Or actually, this video. I'll be back. Peace. Smash the like button. Subscribe to YouTube.